How to fix Face ID not working or has been disabled. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of problem where your Face ID is not working or has been disabled, then follow these steps. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In your settings, scroll down and tap on the option General. Inside General, tap on Software Update. Now check for any software update that may be available for your device. Also, make sure that you are using iOS 18. Go back to the settings main page and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and scroll down. In this page, you should see an option called Reset Face ID. Sometimes maybe you are having problem with the Face ID because of the setting problem. So it's best to go back and try again. Now go to your background app and refresh the settings app. After refreshing, go to General and scroll down to the very bottom. Select the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom, select Reset. Now tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and again select Reset All Settings. After doing this, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.